Guys, how are you? Today we're going to install TrueScape, but for free. First, you go Google, you download Aptoide. Yeah, you download Aptoide. First one also. Aptoide. This one's. You just enter the Google and just enter the first one and download it. Okay, second, when it's download, you just enter it. Second, you go to search, write TrueScape. Okay, let's see. The first one, you just install it. Yep. You just install it. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and leave a like, and if you want anything for me to do for you, just comment down below. Okay, bye.